Hi guys, Mrnewmobile here. Please subscribe followed by the bell. Samsung Galaxy A57 5G. The highly anticipated device is drawing attention from both consumers and industry competitors due to its potentially revolutionary features, particularly its camera system. Though this is based on early leaks and haven't been officially confirmed by Samsung. The Samsung Galaxy A57 5G is rumored to feature an impressive 6.8-inch QHD display, making it a sizable device for those who enjoy a larger screen experience. The display specifications are particularly noteworthy, with a smooth 120Hz refresh rate that should provide fluid scrolling and enhance gaming performance. The most talked about feature of the Galaxy A57 5G is its extraordinary camera system. Reports suggest a primary camera with an astounding 400MP resolution, which would be a significant leap forward in smartphone photography, including 64MP ultra-wide lens, 13MP ultra-wide sensor, depth sensor for enhanced portrait shots, 64MP front-facing camera for high-quality selfies. The camera system is rumored to support 4K video recording and offer up to 10x zoom capability, making it a versatile tool for both photography enthusiasts and casual users. The device is expected to come with a 4,300 mAh battery, which should provide reliable all-day usage. However, what's truly impressive is the reported 210W charging capability. There will be 3 different configurations: 8GB RAM with 128GB internal storage, 12GB RAM with 256GB internal storage, 12GB RAM with 512GB internal storage. Current speculations point to a release either in late February 2025 or March 2025. The proposed price point suggests that Samsung is aiming to make these advanced features accessible to a broader range of consumers, potentially disrupting the upper mid-range smartphone segment. That is it guys. Without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below. And if you are new here, please subscribe, like the video, comment. Thanks for watching. See you on my next video. Peace out.